Do I still have a lot actually? Where's my bag? Along we out here. Hi! So I am going to Morocco tomorrow, literally, and this is my prep day, and I am just going to be rushing today and showing you everything I'm going to be doing. So today I have some, because I've ordered most of my clothes, so I've got most of the things I need, but I need to pick up some little things at Primark, and if I do not see what I want at Primark, I'm going to check TK Maxx. So yeah, I'm just going to show you the packing situation we have going on right now. So this is my box. I have some clothes inside already, and yeah, these are some of the clothes I've taken as well, and this is what I bought. So basically I'm going to give you a run through of the things that you need to pack while you're going to Morocco. I did my nails yesterday, my lashes some days ago, my toenails as well. I had to shave my head today. My wig is still with my wig stylist, so I'm also going to pick that up today. Yeah, so it's like just shopping last minute, picking up some things, withdrawing cash as well because we need cash. And yeah, I got fingers crossed. How long we out here? Anyways, I'm on my way to Primark now. I think I might have found my airport outfit because I really just want something comfortable. And like these pants, I wish they were longer. I'm not as see-through. I'm back home and I am starving. Anyways, I was only able to go to Primark because I went on my break, so videos time. And yeah, this is my bag, and I'm just going to be doing a mini haul. The first thing I got was this cute purse because yeah, I needed like the party purse. This is £10, I think. No, £14. So this is £14. Yeah, it's my first time buying from Primark, but I think this passes. I also got this other bag. I just love the green. It's so cute. This one looks £10. I got this packing set for my makeup, my skincare products. A face scarf because the sun in Morocco apparently, wow, that does not even fit me, but apparently the sun in Morocco is very crazy, and these meals, I think they are just perfect for travel because they are short, they're new, so they can pair well with everything, because I don't want to take more than like 2 heels. Just because of like packing. I got brightening eye patch. I've never tried this brand before. Pointers, white, just for like everything, but not to remove my makeup. A set of thumbs. I got like this scarf set because Morocco is a Muslim country that is like, you know, modest country. So I got that in case I'm wearing anything that is not very appropriate. And I also got packing cubes. Yeah, and like I got like 3 outfits. So this is like my airport outfit tomorrow. I needed like extra comfy pants, and I got this eyeliner set. I've never gotten this before, but I did not have time to do makeup shopping. So yeah, pretty much that was everything that I got, and everything was £79.30. So £79.30. And that's about it. So I'm going to continue the rest of my day before I come and start packing. Yeah, I might still go to TK Maxx. There were these shorts I really love, but they didn't have them in my size. Such a shame. When I was in London, I did like a mini beauty haul at Boots. So I got like the new Morphe setting spray, and I got the Benefit Beauty for Primark, this beauty blender that I've used. And because I want to change my foundation, I got testers for Too Faced and Estee Lauder. That's how it's pronounced. I got these testers, so I'm just like, you know what, on my trip I'm just going to take both the testers and try them. And I got this because Morocco is really hot and I need my makeup to stay on because I have oily face, like oily skin. So yeah, those are some of the things that I got from Boots. So my first week, oh, I actually love it. She actually styled it very well. So yeah, this is the bulb. I hope it stays this way. I'm not gonna lie, guys, my stylist, she ate with this wig. I really wanted this parting, the side part. It's not well styled, so I mean, well, I'm sure you see the vision. But yeah, I have some last minute work to do. I still have a lot actually, and then we shall start packing. So it's almost 8 p.m. and I am currently trying the clothes that I'm going to be wearing so I can pack perfectly. Look at this beautiful jumpsuit from now. It has like this belt that cinches the waist. I can show you the full thing. So I want everything to be like perfect to the T as much as I can. So I'm really gonna do what the TikTok girls do. I'm gonna pick everything with the bag and the shoe and the jewelry and pack like that. Let's go. You'll be packing with me and I'll be wearing some things. This necklace, it's a dream, perfect. So I just need to find the perfect bag. I do not want to take too many bags, so I want to take like 2 or 3 at most. Let's see. Maybe this shoe, my Adidas. I really like this. This is for the tour. I don't think everyone has seen this braids wig. It looks almost real when it's perfectly made. Morocco might not be the place to wear a braids wig because it's very hot, but we'll see when we get there, won't we? I'm actually so excited about this trip. Anyways, I'll be wearing a braids wig there because it's the heaviest hair I have. So a travel tip is wear the heaviest shit you're carrying. I mean, if you absolutely have to. I have like a 23 kg box, but like if you're taking on luggage, wear your heavy shit, especially in the winter. Naira no day Andy. I'm contemplating if this should be my first party outfit. I also have a 2-piece that I'll be wearing soon. I think that's a bit safer than this because it's being wrong. So I like this 2-piece for the aqua cards. But I'm thinking in case I need to maybe be modest, I'm just gonna I'll try this or just get a regular another comfortable panties basically. So this is the dress of the night, the star of the show, because and I'm gonna use this jewelry. I'm gonna have my rings and my earrings. I mean, dresses like this definitely they do not need, sorry this is bent, they do not need necklaces. I feel like my back is the best part of my body. And I'm listening to Tutu's podcast. It's one of my favorite podcasts. Skincare, yeah, this is the last thing to pack because I'm going to do some skincare in the morning, which is literally some hours. Here we are. That's my box and my bag for tomorrow, and we are done. I'm gonna remove my wig. I just tied it off a bit. That's what I'm wearing. I am tired.